This is so stunning. You look so stunning. Thank you so much. So that one was a very rare, happy, upbeat, optimistic one. Sure you know about that. If you have my albums, I'm pretty miserable on record, really. Not in real life. I'm happy in real life. Well, I'm happy these days anyway. I go through my stages of being miserable and not leaving the house and, you know, like that. It happens to all of us, right? It happens to the best of us as well, I like to think. On this record, I get to go around the world, and most of the time, they've no idea of like Shepherd's Bush and Hammersmith Apollo and stuff like that. But now, when I say, yeah, I was played at the Royal Albert Hall, they all know exactly what I'm talking about, so they can share the moment with me even though they weren't here. So I'm going to swim straight into the sad songs for you now. There's a lot of them. This is Don't You Remember. Sing along if you want to.